Hi everyone, I am Atul from Unboxfame and today we'll be discussing a very important topic in the world of businesses, that is why are brand names important. We will be exploring why having a good brand name is crucial for a company's success. First, a strong brand name is essential in establishing trust and credibility with your customers. Second, a good brand name differentiates your company from its competitors. When you have a unique and memorable brand name, it can help you stand out in a crowded place. In terms of shoes, for example, Nike, Adidas, they are unique and have their own market. Having a strong brand name can increase the perceived value of your products and services. Customers are willing to pay more for products and services from a well-known brand as they believe they are getting a higher quality product. A strong brand name can help build emotional connections with your customers. Customers feel a strong connection to the brand as they are likely to be loyal and recommend the brand to others. This emotional connection can be fostered through branding efforts such as storytelling and creating a brand personality. Finally, having a strong brand name makes it easier to expand into new markets. In conclusion, having a strong brand name is important for any company's success. It establishes trust and credibility, differentiates your company from competitors, increases perceived value, builds emotional connection with customers, and can make it easy to expand into new markets. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this informative. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.